Yo, guys, the Halloween season is upon us, and it's windy today. There's going to be a storm tonight, they're saying, and the clouds look like it. What I'm doing today, though, is I am getting new wheels on my Toyota Tacoma. It's a 2024, and it's my everything car with the kids, and load up the dirt bikes, pull my little trailer. It's got a long bed, so I can do all that kind of stuff. As you might know, I have a Grenadier, an Ineos Grenadier, and that's my serious off-road truck. What I need to do on my Grenadier, that's my more overlanding vehicle. Not that you can't do that in the Tacoma. You can build the truck out to do that. I'm not, though. What I'm doing is I'm going to put the Nitto tires, which were 33s, which fit on the Toyota stock, on the Toyota, but a company has stepped up called Arena, and all these guys have tons of experience in the business, have been with other companies, and they've created an incredible wheel company. And again, I use this for picking up the kids, dirt bikes, all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna head over, get it installed. Ooh, it'll be cool. They're beautiful. Wait till you see these freaking wheels. All right, I'm outside of Big John's right now, getting ready to go in and see my boy Rob, and he's going to get me dialed in today, along with their courteous staff. So let's do this. This is Rob, and he made this whole thing happen, didn't you?
What's going on, guys? Arena made it happen.
Well, you put us together.
That's right. That's right.
And you always hook me up, man.
Exactly. No problem.
I think these are my wheels. Oh, look at those. I'm only getting 3. No, 4th one's over there. Look at that. Woo. So who's going to remove the tires, the stock tires off the rim, so we can use the sensors. So this is it with no wheels on, and supposedly this is enough space without cutting into anything. We shall see. You know, I said, do the wheels, and they came in here and tore my motor out. Just kidding. Okay, we're going to go see. I think it's done because I got alerted on my iPhone that the truck started. So I have a feeling it's ready to go. So there it is, man. It came out great. I want to thank Arena Wheels. And I also want to thank Rob and everybody at Big John's for taking care of me. This looks really cool. And I'm kind of over the blacked out thing. It's kind of really nice to see something with a little shine once in a while. Blacked out is cool, don't get me wrong, but it's kind of nice to see this. Although my one motorcycle's kind of blacked out, so I'm not really over it. Take care of each other and keep rock alive.